Before we start this problem, there's a couple of typos that we need to correct. In the problem itself, it says that the car is traveling 400 kilometers per hour, and then down below it's 181. So change that 181 to 140. And the other typo is that they're claiming that this is a fast car. This is not a fast car. My daughter drives my minivan a lot faster than this. So setting that aside, what we want to do is we want to convert this into miles per hour as opposed to kilometers per hour. If you look at your formula sheet, there's a couple of conversions we can use. We can convert 1 kilometer. It's about approximately 0.62, a little over half of a mile. Or if we wanted to, we could take a mile and we can convert that into kilometer, which is about 1.61 kilometers. We'll go ahead and do it both ways, just so you can see. It doesn't matter which approach you use. We'll go ahead and write the first fraction as 140 over 1. We're going to multiply this by another fraction, a unit fraction, where the denominator needs to have kilometers in it because we're going to be simplifying this. We're going to be converting kilometers into miles, so that's your numerator. And we'll use the values of the first conversion. 1 kilometer is the same as 62 hundredths of a mile. The kilometers nicely simplify out, so we're left with miles. If we do the multiplying, you're going to get 86.8 miles, about. In the other problem, you're going to start out the same way, 140 kilometers over 1, but this time we're going to take, again, we want to keep the kilometers in the bottom because we want those to simplify, and 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. Those nicely simplify out. We do our math. Instead of multiplying, we're going to be dividing 140 divided by 1.61, and we're going to end up with 86.96 miles. So a little bit different. These numbers are different. Remember, these conversions are estimates. They're not exact. In this instance, it really doesn't matter because we are converting. We're converting into whole numbers. So we're going to round this up to 87 miles per hour. Told you it wasn't very fast.